Hello YouTubers and telescope fans and the Unitron fans and the Polarex fans and the other telescope fans. If you are new to my show, then there's always a surprise waiting for you. I have two amazing eyepieces. If you want to know what I'm going to do with it, keep looking at the show. Only on Live Polarex is you can see amazing stuff. See you soon at my show. I'm going to do something amazing with those two eyepieces. I recently on my YouTube short, you can see a little bit, I got this amazing piece. Don't worry if you don't have this. This is a rare Unitron piece of a Polarex piece. It's an eyepiece holder, you can say. This one I found another one on the internet, but it's the different one. It's more like this one is on here. But don't worry if you don't have this. I have you back. So I'm gonna make another one. If you have the 40 mm Polarex of the Unitron, you can see this. This is the little one. But if you have the big one, it cannot fit in here. So this one goes, the 40 mm goes in here, and the little eyepiece you can take out. See the 80 mm, you can see the definitely different, you can say. But the fun thing is you can put it in here now. See, and now you have a 40 mm. Wow, very cool this. Een 40 mm Polarex. You can look in here, so very cool. Yeah. But if you don't have this, special thing, don't worry. I have your back. We're gonna make one, yeah. We're gonna make one. You need this. Everybody have this. Nearly everybody have this. And you need. Oh yeah, actually this was also on it. Actually, this cover. Looks like also original, this one. So if you have this one of a different one, show me on my Facebook or something, or on YouTube. It's also fun. I would also like to see your stuff. You need this part. You need, you can see this part, and you need this, and you need this part. You need. You can take off, you can turn this off if you don't have it from the other telescope. Let's see, you have to screw this on. See, so screw this on. See, screw this on. And I think this goes have to go here. See, it's screwed on there. So nearly the same, you can say. Take the lid off, of course. So now you have your own, your own. Telescope eyepiece adapter. Yeah, very cool. See, then you can put it in. See it? But this is actually heavier. This is a little bit lighter, but this is heavier because of the thing. Oh, we have a problem now. Cannot fit in it. Look a little bit. Interessant. Now it's getting interesting, you guys. I think I can do it, but it's getting more interesting now. Even I am surprised about it. Hey, I'm back again. So to make this work, I was thinking you need two of those. Take the. If you don't know what this is a protector for eyepiece. This is also a little bit special. This is in gold. It's hard to see. Maybe this one is kijk. This one is in white and this one is gold. In gold, a gold version. Maybe it was in that time maybe more expensive. I have no idea. So please comment. So you need two of those. You need. And those that I show you. This one. But this one, you turn, you take this one off, turn this off. This one you take off, so. Take one. So. And you turn this one off. Let's see if I can take off. Yeah, I got them off. Take them off, this one. Look like never been taken off. And you put this with, oh, also a big problem. Nothing is going to work, nothing working. Now it's getting very interesting, you know. Yeah, I have to think again. Very funny, so yeah, I will have to think again, or maybe for half hour again or so. See you soon again. Hey, I'm back again. So, you need to have this double. You turn this off, this one. This is the best thing so you need this thing. And then you need you have two kinds. But maybe also this also, but if you have the tiny one you have, kijk here, you can see the tiny one, see? Better to do the tiny one, the smaller one, you can see, yeah? You get the smaller one, we turn it on here, so you fit on here, so. It's nearly the same, but this thing, you just pop it in here, so half, and then you get your shirt, and you have your own. It's the best I can do, I think. So, well, it's okay. It's a little bit, but if you maybe have a little bit bigger one, maybe better. But I will go try to find something else for it, so see you soon again. Hey, welcome to Live Polarex. I have tried to imitate this one, but somehow this end will not fit nicely. This is too small, cannot fit in, so and this is too big with this. I will make a new update later. Maybe you have to buy a new thing. The original cannot go on here. So this more interesting, you guys. This one I have in my hand. This little bit rare thing. This I found a different one on the internet. Yeah, different. It's the same as this one, but I will show you the photos. So you can see I screw everything loose to make a duplicate of this one. So that will not work. That happens sometimes, huh? If you want to make something, it will not work. Only, yeah, it fits not good. Yeah, you can maybe put in something, you know, and each longer than this, so you can do. Then it will fit okay. But I like to keep it original, you know. So it's more fun, I think. But this is original. This, very interesting, this, guys. Very interesting. I will show you more photos of this. So thank you, and see you next time. Enjoy the small video. Thank you. put on here, but somehow it's not fitting nicely. So I'm gonna do and make a little short film so you can see it. But to continue this video, yes, I will make a later video of this. So thank you for watching and enjoy this last video of mine. Thank you.